Okay, here's PowerDirector, and let's see how to correct the aspect ratio of a video. So currently it has a black bar on the left side and on the right side, and we can modify the aspect ratio from here. Set project aspect ratio. Let's try 4:3, and 4:3 is not the perfect solution. Now we don't have just on the left and right, but on the bottom and on the top also. Now if I click on the clip itself, it gives me this selection on the side, and if I drag the white dot till down, now it's in contact with the bottom and on the top, but we still have this thinner black bar on the sides, so that method is not okay. Let's undo it and put it back to 16:9 also. Okay, 16:9 is back with the two vertical black bars. Now right click on the clip itself, set clip attributes and set aspect ratio. Click on set aspect ratio, and on this window, clip aspect ratio, let's select the second option from 4:3 to 16:9. If you have multiple clips on the timeline, not just one, then check this apply to all video clips, like so, and close it with OK. After closing it with OK, the video was stretched to the sides. We don't have any black bars anywhere, plus people are not that thin, and the video was corrected. It still has some horizontal lines, that's the interlacing problem, that's another subject, but it was stretched outside. By the way, let's check this aspect ratio. Now, since it was corrected from the right click things, now let's put it to 4:3. Let's see what will happen. And now we don't have black bars on the sides, but we have on the bottom and on the top, so 16:9 was okay. Let's put it back, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.